As part of this topic, let's get an overview of joining data frames. When it comes to the data cannot be stored in one table. It will be stored in multiple tables and the tables might be related. When it comes to transactional systems, we typically define tables based on normalization principles. When it comes to data warehousing applications, we typically define tables using dimensional modeling. Either of the approach, data is scattered into multiple tables and the relationships are defined. The relationships are nothing but one-to-one, one-to-many, many-to-many relationships, etc. When we have two or more datasets that are related based on a common key, we typically perform join. When it comes to joins, there are different types. One is inner join, second one is outer join. Outer join is also known as left or right outer join. Depending upon the position of the table, you define it as left or right. We also have something called as full outer join. It is nothing but left outer join union right outer join. We will see examples so that you understand the concepts clearly, but at a higher level, you should be familiar with all these terms. Make sure you are comfortable with these terms before you get into the joins. If you understand these terms and also if you go to the examples, you should be able to envision the solution for the problem where joins are involved and come up with the solution using appropriate syntax to join the datasets and then process the data.